Hello and welcome to my channel Empowering Finance with Technology. My name is Arnab Dutt. Today we shall explore a very powerful feature in Power Pivot, the date table. If you ever wanted to analyze your sales or any time-based data by year, by month, by weekday, or even drill down to specific dates, this is the tool you will need. In this session, we shall walk you through a hands-on example using a daily sales dataset for the year 2025. You will learn how to create a data table, link it to your data model, and build pivot tables that reveal insights like your yearly trends, monthly performance, or even sales by the day of the week. Whether you are a business analyst, a data enthusiast, or someone working in retail or finance, this video will help you unlock the full potential of Power Pivot for time-based analysis. So let's get started.
We shall discuss about date table, a feature in Power Pivot. It is useful in doing time-based analysis. We have table, which contains daily sales for the period from January 1st, 2025 to December 31st, 2025. We shall import the data to data model through Power Query. Click Data and then click from Table. The table will be loaded into Power Query. Click Close and Load to. A pop-up box will open. Click the radio button, Only Create Connection. Tick the option Add this data to the data model, and data will be added to the data model. Click Data Model. Table 1 will be visible in Data Model. Click the Design tab. Click Date Table icon on the ribbon and then click New. A date table is generated which will help us to do date time analysis. The default name of this table is Calendar. Click Table 1. Click the icon mark as Date Table. Out of the columns, select Date as the date so that you can do date filtering in Excel. Go to Home tab. Select Diagram View. You will observe both the tables. Select the Date column in Table 1 and drag, and connect it with Date column of Calendar table. Now we are ready to do time-based analysis. Click Data Model and then Manage Data Model. Click Pivot Table icon. Select New Sheet. Select the Calendar table. Select More field. Tick the year. From Table 1, select Sales. Pivot Table will show total sales for the year. Now we shall create another pivot table. Click Data Model and then Manage Data Model. Click Pivot Table icon. Select the Calendar table. Select More field. Tick Month. From Table 1, select Sales. The pivot table will show monthly sales for 2025. Now we shall create another pivot table which will show sales on a basis. This is very useful for companies in retail business. Click Data Model and then Manage Data Model. Click Pivot Table icon. Select the Calendar table. Select More field. Tick Day of the week. From Table 1, select Sales. The pivot table will show Day of the Week sales for 2025. You will observe that sales on Sundays are much higher than that of other days. Now we shall create another pivot table which will show sales on month and also on day basis. Click Data Model and then Manage Data Model. Click Pivot Table icon. Select the calendar table. Select More field. Tick month. Tick day of the week. From Table 1, select Sales. The pivot table will show month with a breakup of day of the week sales for 2025. Is the list of my social media accounts. Feel free to connect with me. If you find a video useful to you, please click like. Subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get notification as soon a new video is uploaded. Feel free to leave your comments to improve my channel.